School psychology is currently a field where the demand is exceptionally strong and on the rise. School psychologists play a vital role in helping to unlock children's potential for a lifetime of success. Niagara University's school psychology program is grounded in a scientist-practitioner model committed to developing skilled practitioners and leaders who, in the Vincentian tradition, foster human growth, emotional stability, and academic success.
I grew up always with a passion of helping kids and helping our younger generation navigate this world. So when I stumbled across the field of school psychology, it just felt right.
Because I was a student who struggled in school when I was younger, so being able to put that impact that I was given and push it forward is super important for me.
Our students are mentored by highly credentialed and experienced faculty in small class sizes that facilitate individualized attention and peer learning opportunities. Students experience learning spanning a 63 credit hour curriculum, which includes 400 hours of practicum and 1,200 hours of internship placements.
I think students appreciate the fact that I am a practicing school psychologist. They realize that I am speaking not only from the heart, but I'm speaking from experience on the field, whereas I'm not just a researcher in the field, I'm also an active practitioner.
So I think the one-on-one and the open door policy and the small cohort model that we operate under really provides that hand-over-hand support for students.
Accredited by the National Association of School Psychologists, our program prepares students to demonstrate the mastery of skills across the 10 domains of practice.
I'm very passionate about working with children and exploring diverse communities and finding ways that I could integrate theoretical practices into real-life clinical experiences and help support communities of that nature.
Niagara University's specialist degree program in school psychology is founded on a commitment to developing practitioners in the field of school psychology who seek to foster human growth and development, spirituality, well-being, and emotional stability.
I'm ready because this program has been amazing with teaching me the skills that I need to be successful.
I am eager and excited to be working in education with children.